Hi all. Now we'll discuss some more problems which are related to number series. This is something variation from the previous problems. Okay, and the first problem is 1827. Okay, here I'll explain the logic how it will work. Okay, the first number is given as 1 and second number is 8 and third number is 27. We need to find the third number. Okay, here if you see the difference is 7 and here also difference is something like 1, it's 19. So the logic is not matching. So we need to think other way. So if you see here, the logic is 1. For 1, at right now I don't have any logic. But if you see 8, it is the multiplication of 2, 2, 2. That is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Similar way, what is the logic for the third number? That is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is each number here it is multiplied by the same number 3 times. So the logic for the first number will be 1 1 1. So the sequence is going up like 1 2 3. So the next number should be we need to multiply 4 by 3 times, because here if you see the above logic, each number is multiplied by 3 times the same number. So the answer will be 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So the answer is 64. So the logic, we need to find the logic. So first we have find the logic, because 8 is formed when you multiplied 2 2 2. Similar way 27 is formed 3 3 3. Similar way the next number should be the multiplication of 4 by 3 times. So the answer is 64. Here we will see one more simple problem. Here we can use the different types of logic. One is we know 16 table. In 16 table, when you multiplied 16 by 1, that is 16. Okay, 16 multiplied by 2 gives 32. 16 multiplied by 3 will give 48. So the answer will be 16 multiplied by 4, because 64. This is one way. 64, because it is given the multiples of 16 in a sequence: 16, 32, 48 and 64. This is one way. What is the other way? Other way is that we need to find the difference between this second number and first number. If you see the difference, what is the difference? When you subtract 32 from 16, you will get the difference as 16. Similar way, when you subtract 48 from 32, the difference is 16. Similar way, when you subtract 64 from 48, the difference is 16. So this is another logic. So we need to use the logic either multiples, or here the logic is matching with the subtraction logic. So the answer is 64. Yeah. Now we'll see one more problem, that is 17, 12, 7. Okay. Here, if you apply the first logic, if you see the observation between the first and second number, it is 17 and 12. What is the difference over here? 5. Similarly, when you observe the second number 12 and third number 7, the difference is also 1. So definitely between this third number and this number which we doesn't know, the difference also should be 5. So what is the value of 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. So the answer is 2. This is one logic. So you are using the logic by applying 17, 12, 7, 2. Here the difference is constant. That is, throughout the series the difference is constant. Okay. This is one logic. What is the second logic? This is like just a method. So 17, 12 they return. So next sequence what they given, they remove the 10th place letter. So what will be the next? Because when we remove 1 over here, what is the value here? It is 7. Similar way, when we remove from 12, when we remove 1, what is the value? 2. This is another logic. We will see one more type of problem. Okay. Here the numbers are given: 8, 81, 9, 91 and 10. We need to find the unknown value. Okay. So first we will find the relationship between these two numbers. Okay. 8 and 81. 8 and 81. What is the logic here? How will you get 81? 8 into 10 plus 1. That will give 81. Okay. Similar way, if you see that same relationship also exists between 9 and 91. How? When you multiply 9 by 10 plus 1, that is when you 90 plus 1, how much? It is 91. So the same logic applies to the third sequence, that is 10 and other number. So here what you need to do, you need to follow the same upper logic. 10 into 10 plus 1, that will give the value as 101. So the answer is 101. Yeah, we'll see one more problem. Here the problem is that the numbers given as 50, 70, 100 and 140. We need to find this unknown number. So again here observe the logic. Okay, the difference between 70 and 50 is what? 20. And again the difference between 100 and 70 is what? 170. What is the difference? That is 30. What is the difference between 140 and 100? That is 40. So here if you see the logic, the difference is increased by 10 every time. So the next difference will be what? It should be 10. 40 plus 10 is how much? 50. Because why we are adding 10? Every time the difference between the numbers is getting increased by 10. 30, 40, 50. So the next difference should be 50. So what will be the next number? It should be the sum of this number and this difference. That is 140 plus 50. 140 plus 50. How much? 0, 90. That is 190. This is the answer. So the logic is the difference is getting increased by 10 each time between the consecutive numbers. Yeah. Now we will see one more type of problem. Okay. Here the numbers were given as 12, 62, 15, 77 and 16, and we need to find the unknown number. Okay. Here we'll find the first combination, in which is the nearest value in 12 table for 60, that is 12 5s. 12 5s 60 plus 2, so it is 62. So the previous number is multiplied by 5, then we are adding 2, then we are getting this number. Similar way here also we need to apply the same logic. For this the previous number is what? 15. 15 also multiplied by 5 and 2. What will be the answer? 15 5s 75. It is plus 2, 77. So here also to get this unknown number we need to apply the same logic. Okay. Here what we need to do? We need to do multiplication. 16 multiplied by 5 plus 2. That the value will be 80 plus 2. That is 82. Okay. So the answer is 82, because the sequence is that to get this number, the previous number we are multiplied by 5 and then we are adding. So the same logic is applied this series, this combination also. The same logic should be applied here. So for that is the reason we have multiplied 16 by 5 and then we are adding 2. So the answer is 82. So numbers is always dependent on the logic, how we are understanding between the numbers. Okay, just apply the logic and it will be very helpful to solving the problem in an efficient way. Thank you all.